So we just wish him well. We will support him 100%. That's a deliberate decision that we have made, and as I've always said, there is no apologies towards that, because it is a democratic space.
Yes, Mheshimiwa Kero okuangazia watebanga candidate ya Uburai Bwense Dr. Fred Matiang'i nkiura kwa igoro ya Omoske David Maraga.
No. We know what is going on. Maraga is a state project.
You sure?
We can say that without. How did Maraga realize all of a sudden that he want to be president of this country at his age? How did he realize? How did it just come along? You know, it's just a joke. We don't want to discuss Maraga. Ntomotomera bagaka. Because in the water baga kurusi, mugaka Professor Ngeri, mugaka Chris Obure, abagaka baita watu tebina nto basako mugusi. We will talk to Maraga. He can be a very good technical person as we support Chair Ambition Chair Fred.